This video is basically for the beginner traders that I want to get into Profem. Trust me, you will learn something from this video from me, right? From my own personal experience, okay? So, like you guys know, on this channel I'll be sharing my journey on how I'm trading my 5k Profem account for the past 1 month now. Okay, so in the last video, which is the last week, I shared to you guys how I was able to be on the break even, right, from my very huge drawdown. And today is another video again, which I'm here to share guys an update concerning that account again. So basically, if you're a beginner that want to start trading Profem, you have to like this video and subscribe because I want to learn a lot of things from my own personal mistakes and also from my experience as well because I'm actually documenting this journey, right? So for beginners, all right, this is why I'm saying that you're going to learn something from this video is because I want to give you guys what has helped me for this long trading this account. All right, I know that I must surely pass this account. If I continue in this trajectory, I'll pass. Do you understand? Now, the first thing that helped me is that when I purchased this 5k account, I am not seeing it as a 5k account. What I'm seeing is $500 account. Do you understand? Because you know that each evaluation has their own maximum drawdown. I am not seeing that money you think they're showing you 500. That's not what I'm seeing. What I'm seeing in my head and in my book is $500 capital. Do you understand? But that is my maximum drawdown. And each day that I want to trade, what I'm seeing that I at my disposal is just $250. So anything I'm doing within that 24 hours, I am not going to risk more than $100. I don't do it in a day. I'm not doing this. I've traded this account. So if you see me risking my account in a day, is between, if I'm taking two positions, right, is around $25, about $50. Do you understand? On the worst case scenario, I'll risk $70 in a day, and that's true. I'll never risk more than like above $100 in a day because I know that what I have at my disposal in each day it is just $250. Do you understand? So this is how I think. I'm not seeing it because they call it 5k account. You now start thinking that what you have is $5,000 account. You are not being reasonable. You now start risking $100 per trade. So that if you take three losses in a day, you have blown the account because you are not being reasonable. So for me, what I see in my disposal every single time that I want to open a trade is $250 for that day. So this week was very crazy. I must be honest with you guys. It is very, very crazy. So let's start from Monday. All right. So on Monday, I took a trade on Euro USD, which I'm going to show you guys here. All right, guys. So now look at the trades I took last week. Look at from this. You can see on the on Monday I took this buy trade on Euro USD. I had three positions and I lost $31 in each of the trades I have there respectively, right? So I lost about $90 that day. Okay, so the next day, which is on Tuesday, I took another sell trade on Euro USD this time around, and I was able to make $20 in each of them. Okay, this was in the morning. So later in the evening that day, I took another trade on UX30, which I had these three positions. So I made $20 in all of them. So on that Tuesday, I was able to recover my loss, and I was about $100 in profit that day, right? So on Thursday, although I had this first 30 trade from Tuesday to Wednesday, that's when it hits my take profit. Okay, so on this on Thursday, I took this buy trade on Saver. You can see I lost $27 and $24 respectively. Now that's on Thursday. I reached on Friday. I took another sell trade on the same Silver, right? And I lost $39 in each position on Friday. But guess what, guys? I also took another sell trade on that same silver, that is on the same Friday, I entered the trade because the trade is obviously very good. Like I see it, playing out. So I took another trade again that day, but this time I only have one position. And look at the trade right here. So this trade is now giving me about $300 and something. I'm still holding it. If you come to the chart here, let me show you guys. I'm still holding it, so you can see clearly right there. So I'm still holding this sell trade. So see my take profit here, about $591. So markets has closed already. See, if market should open next week, and I am seeing the moment I do not like, I might decide to close. So look at where I'm looking for market to pull back. If you should pull back into this zone, all right, I'm looking for another sales. So but anything above this zone here, then I'm closing off the trade, right? Any amount of money that I left, I'll take it. But obviously I'm just looking for market to open, like maybe pull back to that point, then drop back down, right, to my target. But this is basically what I'm looking at in this silver trade going into next week. All right, so if this market should go to my take profit, you can see that I am going to obviously pass this account because I'm floating $300 or something already. So if you should come to my take profit, I'm targeting about $591. So I may obviously pass this account. That's the phase one, remember, the phase one, okay? And that's what I'm looking for this new week. So finger crossed, on Monday I'm going to update you guys. But like I said, this is going to be the decision. If the market remains below this particular point that I just marked out right now, I will still be holding. But for any reason market decides to break it to the upside, I'm going to close the trade and take out my profits. Do you understand? Already I'm at break even right now, but this is just my analyze market, basically following the market structure. As you can see, it's very beautiful downtrend. Okay, so that's basically what I'm looking at this week. All right, so guys, that's how the last week went, and finger crossed what we're going to see this next week. I'll be updating you guys during the midweek. Okay.